Hello everybody, how y'all doing today? So anyway, in my van, I'm going to show you the dash in a minute, but I've always had a problem with a phone holder to go on my phone. And I just can't seem to get anything to work that don't fall off the window or whatever, falling around. So I'm thinking about permanently mounting something in the van. This is what I thought about doing. I would like to have my phone somewhere in here. But as you can see, there's nowhere to mount this thing. I've tried it on the windshield and it just keeps falling down. It gets too hot, whatever. So I'm going to find somewhere somehow to permanently mount this. Cut this thing up and see what I can get going on. See if I can get me a phone mount in my van. Well, this is kind of what I come up with. I like this telephone mount, because it goes in nice. Push this little button on the back right here, and it releases it. So it's not a bad mount, but there's nowhere to put this right here. Nowhere to put it. So what I'm thinking about doing is cutting it off right here, and then I'm going to take it apart and then I'm going to try my best to drill a hole right there straight through and then put a screw into the dash to hold this ball. So maybe it'll hold the phone on the dash. So we're going to try that. I might end up making a hole in the dash and having to patch it later, but hey, I might put some Gorilla Glue on it too. So that's what I'm going to do. We'll cut this off, see how that works. This is the wrong blade. Real little teeth. So we'll put this in here. I like what that happens. Hey, no battery. Sorry for reaching. Okay, here goes. Never able to use this again if it don't work. Let's see, I want it pretty straight here. Got it started. That's pretty good. Whew, I got it. Well, that is officially no good. This, on the other hand, did not cut very good. So, I gotta smooth this out. Let's see how we can do that. Okay, I got my trusty little belt sander and disc sander here. It's a nice little machine, but sometimes it needs a little help getting started. Wow, now that is starting to look pretty good. It's better than the saw cut. I'm going to trim it up here a little bit with my knife. Get some of this stuff off the edge. I got to get a drill motor. Might have to move you a little bit. Drill motor and a small drill bit. And my next size is 9/64. Hope you got that. That is still a little bit small. So let's go see if we have a 1/4 inch bit here somewhere. Okay, I think I got it all done. Got the screw sticking out there. I'm gonna put a little Gorilla Glue on here, drill a hole in the dash, put it on the dash, and then see how it works. So let's go do that now in the van, drilling a hole in the dash. Oh my God, I'm gonna do it. So I'm in a secret location working on my van. So now that I've made this little jewel, I want to put it right here, right there. So I've got to drill a hole right here. I got my little trusty drill here. Please don't hit nothing. Please don't hit nothing. Here we go. Now make sure the drill's tight. Whew. So I went through the plastic. I didn't hit anything behind it. Let's just see if there's anything back there. Haha, there's nothing back there. That's good. That is good. Now, if you have never used Gorilla Glue, I'm going to tell you this stuff is tough. Once you get it on, it don't come off. So now, I'm going to clean this off. Trusty little knife out here, make sure there's no ridges here. Okay. So that's good. And this may help my phone stay a little cool too. So now I'm going to take this back apart. Pull this off. Don't need that. But now I want to put this right here. But before I do that, I have a butter knife and Gorilla Glue. Gorilla Glue you can get at Home Depot or Lowe's. I'm not getting paid to advertise this. I just use it and I know that it works. So I'm going to try not to spill it on anything, because that would be bad. I've got that much on my knife, but I don't need all that. I'm just going to put a little dab here. I'm going to put some on here. I'm going to put it all the way around. A little dab will do you. Believe you me. That's way more than I need. And now, did I bring the screwdriver? I didn't bring the screwdriver. I got to go get it. Okay, I got my little stubby screwdriver that somebody left laying around here, which is good. And now hopefully this will go in without too much trouble. Don't give me no trouble. Please don't give me no trouble. Okay, that is on there. That is not coming off ever. So now I'm going to put the nut on here, put the phone case on here. Now I got to line that up and get that bolt on. I don't want to cross thread it. I want it on there right. I think it's on there okay. It's a little floppy. So there it is. I'm hoping that works for me, because I done and did it now. Got it screwed into the dash. Got it on there. My new phone holder. Woo-wee. Hey, thanks for watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I'll have another video for you as soon as I can get around to making one. Well, this is a madhouse around here. See you later. This is Harold signing off.